Good morning, all of you. Today we will discuss about the solution of this question. Okay. Two numbers A and B are selected successively without replacement. Okay. In that order from the integers 1 to 10. The probability that A upon B is an integer is option A 17 upon 45, option B 1 by 5, option C 17 upon 90 and option D 8 upon 45. Okay, so first of all we underline the keywords, that is the numbers A and B are selected successively. Successively means कि अगर हमने एक नंबर 5 लिया है तो नेक्स्ट क्या होगा 6. यस और नो? ओके, 5 लिया तो उससे सक्सेसिव क्या होगा 5 है तो 7. ओके, विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट मतलब कि अगर हमने 7 अपॉन 5 लिया तो फिर हम उसको रिप्लेस नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है, इन ऑर्डर दैट फ्रॉम द इंटीजर्स बनाना है. व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ A अपॉन B इज एन इंटीजर. सो our concept of solving questions of probability is probability of an event is equals to number of favorable outcome upon number of sample space. Yes or no? This is the concept of probability. Okay, so here our sample space S is equals to fraction AB, fraction A upon B. ठीक है, fraction A upon B from 1 to 10 integers number. Okay, so number of elements या elements of sample space is 1 upon 2. Okay, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 7, 1 upon 8, 1 upon 9 and 1 upon 10. Yes or no? Similarly, if we take 2 upon 1, okay, we do not take 2 upon 2. Why? Because successive integer. Yes or no? So now we can take 2 upon 3, 2 upon 4, 2 upon 5, 2 upon 6, 2 upon 7, 2 upon 8, 2 upon 9 and 2 upon 10. Yes or no? Similarly, we go 3 upon 1, 3 upon 2 and 3 upon 4. Yes or no? 3 upon 5, 3 upon 6, 3 upon 7, 3 upon 8, 3 upon 9 and 3 upon 10. Yes or no? Similarly, we go for 4 upon 1. ठीक है, and ends with 4 upon 10. Okay, and 5 upon 1 ends with 5 upon 10. 6 upon 1 dot 6 upon 10. 7 upon 1 dot 7 upon 10. 8 upon 1, okay, dot 8 upon 10. 9 upon 1 dot 9 upon 10. Yes or no? And that 10 upon 1, 10 upon 2, 10 upon 3, 10 upon 4, 10 upon 5, 10 upon 6, 10 upon 7, 10 upon 8 or 10 upon 9 is our last method. So now we conclude about the number of elements in sample space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 element is present in one row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9 into 10, 90. It means number of elements in our sample space is 9 into 10. It means 90. Okay. After that, we will discuss about the number of elements in our favorable event. Yes or no? So our event E is A upon B. Fraction A upon B is an integer. Yes or no? Is an integer without replacement. Okay. So member of E is integer. What is integer? ठीक है, a proper number whose denominator part is 1 after dividing, yes or no, in or simplest form is known as integer. So our first integer is 2 upon 1, 3 upon 1, 4 upon 1, 5 upon 1, 6 upon 1, 7 upon 1, 8 upon 1, 9 upon 1, 10 upon 1. Yes or no? After that, we will discuss about those integer whose denominator part is 2. Yes or no? So we get 4. 4 upon 2, it means 2. 2 is an integer. Yes or no? So 4 upon 2, 6 upon 2, 8 upon 2, and 10 upon 2. Yes or no? After that, we will discuss about those integer whose denominator part is 3. So 3, 6 upon 3 or 9 upon 3. 3 3 ja 9. Yes or no? After that, we will discuss about those integer of A upon B form which have 4 denominator. So 4, 8 upon 4. Yes or no? Now we discuss about those integer of A upon B form which have 5 as denominator. So 5, it means 10 upon 5. Yes or no? So the element of our number of element in our favorable outcome is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. That is 17. Okay. So our formula is probability of event. Probability of event is equals to number of favorable outcome, that is 17 upon number of sample space, that is 90. Yes or no? So option C is correct. Yes or no? Okay.